क्या हाल है सब लोगों की? Today we are going to solve the problem number 133 flow graph of LeetCode, in which we have to set that given a reference of a node in a connected undirected graph, written a deep copy clone of the graph. Each node in the graph contains a value int and a list node of its neighbor. And this is the structure. This is the test case format here, and let's jump to the input. Input is given in this way, and output is seen what the is copied to the input. I mean to say that it is a deep copy, not a shallow copy. Have you heard about deep copy and shallow copy? If you don't have the clarity about deep copy and shallow copy, so first read that this is the fundamental for this problem. If we have to say that we have to return only the shallow copy, so what we will do, we will just simply return the row. Because we have to return the shallow copy, we have to return the same copy. But here we have to make a new copy in the memory of this root node. So what we will do? First, apply our base condition. If it is null pointer, then we will simply just return null pointer. Otherwise, we are going to use DFS approach, in which we have to pass two things. First one is unordered map, which will keep track mapping of our current node to our new node map. Uh, then we'll pass just simply return our DFS. And so what we will do, we will just make this function DFS, and we will pass argument. Okay. So what we will have to do here, we have to first think about like what will happen if root is equal to null pointer. We will just simply return null pointer. Also, this is the base condition applied in the our clone graph function, but we have to use it here because it can be possible now when we are doing DFS and we reach at the leaf node, and then we call its neighbor, it will it's null pointer, so we simply return null pointer to that. Now, if it is already visited, if the root is already visited, it means there is a cycle in the graph, or the cycle is present in the graph. So what we will have to do, we will return the our mapped node, not the root node. Like from take an example, the graph will be like that. We are at point 5, then we will go to 3, and then again back to the 5. So we have to return the uh, mapped node of 5 because we have to return the deep. So if mp.count root, we just return its mapped node, mapped root. Okay. Now, if it is not visited or root is not the pointer, then we will make our new root as a new root. We'll pass the root value. As you can see, it is given in the constructor that this is the constructor. Following this, and we will pass the root value. Now we have a copy of the root node, but we will also want a copy of its neighbor node. We will just simply traverse to its neighbor and will now what we will want. We will want the deep copy of the neighbor, not the neighbor, deep copy of the root node. So we will also copy, also get the copy of the neighbor. So for this, we will push back, not push back. What we will push? We can't push simply neighbor, so we will ask the we will have to push back the copy of the root neighbor. For this, we will call it again the DFS function, in which our new root is our neighbor, and we should keep set the visitor node, and then we will simply return the name. And here we have to update our map. So it will be map of root is equal to new root, and just simply run it. Yeah, so perfect. We done perfectly, and then yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and comment on the video so that we further implement in the video.